Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing mac and cheese. Yummy. This macaroni and cheese recipe is super creamy, super delicious, really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's get started. All right, first go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and put the rack on the upper middle rack. And now also down below in the description, you're gonna find all the ingredients for this recipe as far as the measurements and whatnot. So we take a blender here and we are gonna add our cottage cheese. This is 1 cup of cottage cheese. Go ahead and add that in there, scrape it out. Make sure you get all of it in there. And then we are gonna add our milk. I am using whole milk, 2 cups, 16 ounces. Add our mustard powder, add our pepper, add our nutmeg, and add our salt. All right, let's just go ahead and blend this all together. For about 30 seconds, we just want to make sure that our cottage cheese is well blended with the milk and other spices. Now we come over to a pan. You want a 9-inch round or square pan, or you could use a 10-inch. I'm using this pan because it can go in the oven, which I really love this pan. Now go ahead and take 1 of your tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna just put it in there, and then with our fingers, let's just go ahead and butter this thing really nice. Really cool, and then you could just leave the leftover pieces of butter in there like that. And now what we wanna do is we want to add about half of our cheese. Now you could do all this in a big bowl first and mix it around, but it's fine just to do it like this. And then add our macaroni. Now I am using the bigger macaroni. You can use the small one if you like. I like to use the big ones. And then go ahead and take our milk mixture. And then the rest of our cheese. And we want to take this, we want to just combine it all really well. Like I said, you could do all this in a larger bowl if you like. Okay, and then you just push it down. And that is ready to go. And now what we want to do is we want to cover this very tightly with some foil. Isn't this awesome? We do not have to pre-cook our macaroni. It is gonna cook while inside the liquid and the cheese, and it's gonna be awesome. So it's really nice that you don't have to pre-cook your pasta. So go ahead and cover this really well with foil. And then now let's pop this in the oven for 30 minutes. And then after that, we have more steps to do. All right, after 30 minutes, let's go ahead and take our pan out of the oven. We're going to take off our foil, and then we want to come in here and stir gently. Oh yeah, this is looking amazing. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to take our remaining tablespoon of butter, and we're just going to put it on top like so. And then we're going to take our 4th cup of cheese and put it on top. And now we're gonna go ahead and put this back in the oven uncovered for another 25 to 30 minutes, and it's gonna get nice and brown on top. All right, once we take it out of the oven, it's gonna look like this, nice golden brown on the top. Oh yeah. And now to top this off, I'm just gonna come in here, some bacon bits. Go ahead and let this rest for at least 15 minutes before serving. The mac and cheese has been sitting for about 15 minutes. Time to dig me up some. I want to show you what it looks like. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yummy. All right, our mac and cheese is done. It turned out awesome. It's really easy to do, simple ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. thumbs up down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also, down below, I have links to my other social media accounts and my other YouTube channel. Check those out. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, make sure to get some bacon.